Whiteboards in Ayoa offer complete flexibility to work in the way that suits you and your team. So whether you're planning a project, conducting an in-depth analysis, or brainstorming ideas, start with a blank canvas or use our pre-made templates to fully customize your board with sticky notes, images, and more. Get started using the Whiteboard toolbar to select from a range of customizable options. Quickly capture ideas by adding sticky notes to your whiteboard. Simply choose your preferred style, size, and color, then drag and drop the notes anywhere on your board and start typing. You can even create stacked notes by dropping related sticky notes onto each other to create a collection, ideal for keeping your whiteboard organized and finding what you need with ease. Add lists to your whiteboard, which are great for adding instructions or to indicate priority. Once you have your items listed, you can even reorder these as needed. Sections are a useful way to group related items together so you can stay organized. You can lock these sections in place so they can't be accidentally moved around your board, making it great for teams working collaboratively. When creating a section, add a title and description to help you easily distinguish between different areas of your whiteboard. You can set a background image by searching the image library or uploading your own for further personalization. Provide visual cues by adding images to your whiteboard. Search for an image and drag this anywhere on your whiteboard. You can even include caption text for further context. Alternatively, you can also upload your own image or draw one yourself using our sketch tool for complete personalization. You can also adjust the size of each element by clicking and dragging the bottom right corner to the size you need. Give additional context to your whiteboard by attaching relevant files and documents. You can upload these from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive, then drag them anywhere onto your whiteboard. Add shortcuts to any of your Ayoa boards, so you can quickly and easily jump between projects. Search for and select any of your other whiteboards, task boards, or mind maps, which you can drag directly to your whiteboard. You also have the option to create a new board directly from this tab. Ayoa hosts a range of engaging idea and task boards to help you achieve any goal. So whether you want to develop your ideas further in a mind map or track and action tasks for a team project, you can get started instantly straight from your whiteboard. For workflows and processes that need to be mapped out step by step, create visually engaging flowcharts with a built-in flowchart editor. In the left-hand panel, you will see various shape options, including flat color icons, arrows, and more. In the right-hand panel, you will see formatting options for each of your flowchart elements. Once your flowchart is complete, simply click Save and Exit, where you will be redirected back to your whiteboard. You can now drag and drop your flowchart directly onto your whiteboard and add further context by renaming it. With our all-in-one whiteboard, Ayoa makes app switching a thing of the past. Blending intuitive visuals with practical productivity, whiteboards provide the perfect space for teams and individuals to work on projects and customize them completely to their needs. Ready to dive into whiteboards? Subscribe today at ayoa.com.